Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add money in Tradingview. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, now start by opening up Tradingview. Now once you're in here, scroll through the market right here, and maybe you'd like to buy some stocks for Tesla. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now you can go ahead and click on full chart. Okay. Click on it, wait for the chart to load, and then once done, if you can't see this right away, you can go ahead and go to the bottom right and click on the open panel button, okay? Click on it and you'll be able to see this panel. Now scroll down and just click on show all brokers. Now in here, what you will do is just go ahead and make an account from one of these brokers, okay? Say for example, I'd like to use Binance in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on connect and just sign in with my Binance account. Just give the necessary permission right here, okay? But in short, all you need to do is just connect from one of these brokers available, and then once done, make sure that you have a balance of that specific account. All right, as you can see here under my spot balance, I have 0.93 or 0.93 US dollars. Okay, and that's basically it. That is how you add money in Tradingview. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.